So 112 days ago, I bought a PlayStation 5. It's been in this box for 112 days. Now, I want to do this. At 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to go on YouTube Live and open this box right in front of you. It still has the tape, but I just want to see what happens. P.S. I know what you're thinking. Oh, he's asking for subscribers. No, I'm not. You're going to be responsible if I play this PlayStation 5 or not. That's simple. Even at 1,000,000 subscribers, I'm still gonna show up tomorrow and upload again. This is work. I have work to do. See you then.